Okay, number 37. We want to get x. Okay, this is 90. Let's see how to do this here. So we have to get this edge first, don't we? Okay. Can't see that. Okay, my students can't see. So the first thing we got to do is get this edge so we can get x. So I'm going to draw this triangle right over here. So redraw the left part of the triangle. This is 9, and this top angle is 35, and you are trying to get this side. Okay, this is our hypotenuse, our opposite, and our adjacent. So we're dealing with opposite and adjacent. We're going to use tan, aren't we? So the tan of 35 equals opposite over adjacent would be 9 over x. Since the 9's on the top, we're going to divide, aren't we? So do 9 divided by the tan of 35. And round it to the 10th. I have an answer. 9 divided by 10 of 35. 12 I have 12.8 and 12.9. 12.9. Okay. Now then, I'm going to draw the right-hand triangle. So we're going to draw the right-hand triangle now. We know that this edge is 12.9, isn't it? We know that this angle is 61, and we want to know x, don't we? So this is our hypotenuse, our adjacent, and our opposite, right? We're dealing with adjacent and hypotenuse. That's cosine, isn't it? So the cosine of 61 equals, wait, we're dealing with opposite and adjacent, right? Yeah, we got, you're not paying attention. So we're dealing with opposite and adjacent. We won't use cosine, we'll use what? Tangent. 61, and opposite over adjacent would be x over 12.9, wouldn't it? So what are we going to do with the 12.9? Multiply. So I'm going to put it up here. 12.9 times the tangent of 61 equals x. So punch that in. And x would be 23.3. Agree? Oh, 23 3/10. Okay, let's do number 38. An 80-foot escalator rises 19 feet vertically. Okay, so we need to know what the 80 and the 19 is. Draw a triangle. Think about what an escalator looks like. What would be the 80? What edge? The hypotenuse would be 80, wouldn't it? And it rises what? 19 feet would be your vertical edge, right? What angle of elevation does the escalator make? We want to find that angle, don't we? Okay, so we're going to have, label it, hypotenuse and opposite, right? So that's our sine. So sine of x equals 19 over 80. Since we want to find the angle, we're going to use the inverse, aren't we? Sine of -1, parentheses, 19 divided by 80. Punch that in on the calculator. And round it to the nearest degree. So we're going to round it to a whole number. 14. So 14 degrees is what the escalator rises by.